Welcome to Fashion Business Academy. We help fashion startups and early stage brands to launch and scale their fashion brand. We do this by teaching them the real side of fashion business. Whether it's fabrics, whether it's costing, whether it's MOQs, whether it's manufacturing techniques, tips, or other resources, we help our early stage fashion founders with every little resource in this channel. In this channel, you will see the video version of all the resources that we continue to publish on our website that have already been published and that we continue to publish even in future, like step-by-step guides on how to start a clothing brand, manufacturing and sourcing explainers directly from factory floors, fabric guides, country-wise brand list, competitor comparison, costing margins, tech packs, MOQs, and real mistakes founders make and how to avoid them. We have worked with over 200 fashion brands across the globe. We are inside factories, inside supply chain, inside real production problems. Everything we teach you is based on our real world experience, not some theoretical knowledge. And if you want a deeper learning experience, check out our Fashion Business Masterclass. And if you want to do a more hands-on execution program, then Bootcamp is the right program for you. It is the fastest way to learn fabrics, costing, tech packs, manufacturing, pricing, and launching your fashion brand with confidence. The link is in the description. So, if you are serious about building a fashion brand or improving your sourcing and manufacturing decisions, hit subscribe, turn on notification, and let's build your fashion brand the smart way.